Thank you for tuning in. I'm back today. Nyenza a video about Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs this season, fun or there are similarities this season na last season. There's a few things that Kaizer Chiefs change. It's their build-up play. I'm going to show you 3 points, right? Build-up play when the keeper has the ball and then ibola maseliphumile outside the box, and their defensive structure. Ukuthi bapressa kanjani their high line. I've spoken about the high line Chiefs this season. It's much better, but it's copy and paste. Last season, certain things bebazenza Chiefs even now this season. Now, ngihamba ngiyi-1, ngihamba nomdu, please roll it. So we're gonna start with Chiefs having the ball boxing. So now they play a 4-4-1-1 or a 4-4-2. The Cheslett. Okay, in this game you have In this game you have Ungcobo playing as a half 10. Playing as a half 10. Then you have a double pivot. So now the purpose of this game plan is to have a space. Remember, there's 3 lines, right? It's the forward, it's the midfielders, then it's the defense. So now, what Chiefs Intaba ifuna is to have the space between the midfielders and the defenders of the other team. Continue. So, game lebe bayidlala ne Scotland. It was Cheslett la. Okay, asikho mnandi ibhola liphumela ngaphandle. Another clip izodlala same game. This is the preseason game. Angithi sharp. Double pivot Chiefs ibhola lisasekuphi eboxini. Don't forget. Into esifunayo sifuna ini? Sifuna ispace. Pause mdu. Now Silver Fox. Then here uReverie na niches like ufihle Ungcobo. Right? The purpose of this is for us ukuthi ibola silithole la. But now Ungcobo I don't think is the right player for this structure. If he was playing in the double pivot, perfect. But if you want to play him as a half 10, not a good idea, because uzombona even in this clip ibola he goes into this line where he's supposed to stay in between the defenders and the midfielders. I see him too. Another thing, Footy Chiefs, they lose the ball a lot emasaidini. Sesiphumile la ngithi ibhola lenzani liphumela ngaphandle. Game against Scotland ngithi same thing. What we want to have space ngithi it's a 4-4-2. Pause mdu sharp. Silver Fox ukuphi ula. Cheslett ula. So now what happens with the wingers, ne? The wingers ayapusha ayale pa awabonakali in the picture. Ngiyaphinda futhi the purpose for us is ukuthi siphume la sizothola uSilver Fox or uCheslett. Play. Ball goes to the right back. Uyi-1 uCheslett la, but wenzani uyabaleka. Instead of ukuthi adlala ibhola la, it's okay. We win the ball ngithi ibhola kusaselethu. But now, what do we do? Ibhola masesitholile phambili. Offside. Another clip. Pause mdu. Now, in this one, siyaphuma, but again, oh Jehovah. Oh, moya ingcwele. You cannot have player njalo sesiphumile and then emasaidini we lose the ball easily. The hardest thing or one of the hardest thing in football is to win the ball back. So if ibhola siyalwina bese siyabanika, then besilwinela in the first place. Okay, sharp. Now, siphumile ngithi nangu Cheslett la. This is uSilver Fox. Lento bengikhuluma ngayo ukuthini we want the space between these defenders and the midfielders. So siyitholile ngithi Obrigado on the right hand side uveli bhayi la uye Kapa sharp Play him do. We attack. Now, you cannot be a professional player. Bafethu. Pause. Offside. Urevrute offside. Pause him do. You cannot be a professional player. Siya cabanga sisuka le Kapa. Masifika la eJozi siyaflopa. Kanjani? Why? There's no way ukuthi as a winger, teammate yakho iphethe ibhola uyeza nayo. But when we are gijima, awubhekanga iline. Offside. Why? Do any questions so far? Sasemnandi. Kuli?
Okay, maybe ngiyabona uyazichazela uyasibonisa izinto bekumele benzeni ke lapha ku Kaizer Chiefs because uyabona ukuthi baluza ibhola kaningi and kunama offside lawo ekungamelanga because i-preseason kumele ngabe balungisa izinto kumele benzeni ke for wena.
For me it's to if it's Phumile angithi the ball if you watch most yama clip wow ibhola lenzani it goes to the winger angithi if it goes to the winger now we need the midfielders and the defenders to join us because angeke sizokhona ukora amagoli amaningi. If you watch the Chiefs last season they didn't score a lot of goals because they didn't have a lot of numbers inside the box. But another thing that De Cruz angakayenzi, remember ukuthi scripted movements create scripted plays. Abanye abantu bathi it's a pattern of play. You can have scripted plays emuva even in the midfield even naphambili. But so far abanawo. That's why in most clips you see ukuthi bayenzani they lose the ball. Next clip. Phezu kwapha. Same thing here. Pause him too. Now, in this clip, right, I spoke about the Chiefs starting the build-up play yabo when they have the ball here. Good goalkeeper. Now, you're going to see them. Mangithi yabona manje it's the 2 10s here or 2 half 10s, it's double pivot. You're going to see them in this clip ukuthi bazo change. Right? They are going to change how they structure themselves. This coach is very smart. Very smart. It's just that idinga patience. Ngiyazi phela nina makhosi 1-2 games nidliwa ngizobe senifuna ukushisa stadium. Let's go mdu. Ball comes back here. Now, I want you to watch ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani this side ku-Obrigado. Pause. Now, if you watch the right back, now remember ukuthi it was a 4-4-2. Information when we attack and when we defend, change. So now if you look at a mover, it's the 3-set defense, angithi. 3-set defense. Now the right back iguphi ipushile sekuba ngathi winger. Now Obrigado needs to learn how to play in the half space position. He needs to learn how to play in the half space position because this is a half 10. Now, okay, in this clip you have Ucheslet no veli by baswapil. Nothing wrong. Continue to. Remember what I said ukuthi ba change right? Ipola alseke boxing. So they change their positioning. In the next clip, I'll show you the same thing again. In the next clip, this is the next clip. Pause. Now, it's the set 3 defense. Hang it. Right back is over there. Now you have Ucheslet, who have 10. You have Obrigado, Uvilagazi, who have 10. So there's no way ukuthi the PSL coaches bazothi they don't know ukuthi De Cruz udlala kanjani. Because these coaches about De Cruz, they play the same system from one club to the next, which is not a good thing because you need those type of players. There's certain players for certain formation, and I don't think Ugusi Chiefs in our player for formation. So mabathola induku naye he needs to be blamed. Continue to. Remember double pivot angithi. Now he needs to move there Obrigado. Pause. He needs to move here. If he moves la, ispace isiyavuleka at the back for the right back. It's simple. Ibhola is simple. It's just made difficult by football players. Continue. Yadlala ibhola. Pause. Oh Jehovah. Oh Bafethu. We cannot lose ibhola easily. You need to protect ibhola njengama Somalian protect iphaza. You can't lose the ball easily. Ibhola sesiluzile. Siphumile kamnandi sifika la siyaluza ibhola. Okay, sharp. Continue. Now, pause mdu. This is a game. Remember what I said. I said ukuthi Chiefs this season, the similarities na last season. This is a game against ETX Galaxy. Copy and paste. Ibhola linjalo. Right? When Pep started coaching, we were introduced ezinye izinto. Abanye abacoach bayenzani? Copy and paste. There's nothing wrong. If it's good, you take it. Now, playing two. It's a 3-set defenders. Angithi. Pause. Now, the 2 double pivot. Angithi. There is the right back. Umunyani ula. This is Utuba. This is Ushabalala. This was Ulolipop. Silver Fox is here. It's the same thing. So there's no way Guti, the Kaizer Chiefs players can tell us Guti, hey, this is a different system. Yes, in the build up, it's something new. But Masters figure in this position, it's the same thing. It's just that Guti abeko mnand, abeko delicious. Continue. This was hey, I don't know how Guti Chiefs let this guy go. Aiden McCart, I just don't know how. Ball goes to the right, then they lose a foot. Same thing, even in the last season. Pause. This is a different clip. Same game, different clip. 3 set defenders. 1, 2, double pivot. Umunyani is over there. You have Utuba here. Then you have Ushabalala. Play. Simple. Pause again, Mtu. Sorry, my man. You see the double pivot. Now, one thing about Utuba that he does, Ushabalala, Obrigado angayenzi, is to connect. Remember, when you are playing as a half 10, it does not mean ukuthi melu uhlale on your side njalo. No. You have to move around. We have to connect. So what Utuba did last season was to connect. If you watch the game Sunday, he started on the right hand side, but Chiefs nje bedlala nje iChepis Sunday. But here they lose they get a foul. Continue to. So there's nothing new. Lana, there's nothing new. The same game again. Now, ulithola kuphi u have space. Ulolipop wenzani uyamnika, they go and attack. There is nothing new. Pause. Pause mtu. Okay, sharp. I've shown you Chiefs when ibhola liqala ku goalkeeper, right? Then I've shown you their movement mabaya phambili ukuthi change. Now, one thing that coach Chiefs ayenzile, I think by improving, last year, but even last season they used to do it. I'm going to show you the first clip. It was against iPirates. La bathola khona induku. Angeke sikhulume kakhulu ngaleyo induku. I'm going to show you their defensive line. If you watched Chiefs this this preseason, they defended very high, which is a good thing. Abanye bazothi it's a bad thing. Yeah, we are a coach, right? Playing too. So now the ball is here. I just want you to see the line of defense Chiefs. Pause. So the ball was here, but you see Uguti line of defense Chiefs Uguti Gupine sharp. This was last season. This is when they got the hiding. There's a reason why they got the hiding, and tingati reason. There's many reasons why Batolindu, and one of those reasons was this high line. And I know a lot of people abafuna ukubuyela kuleya game because nala bebadlala iChappies. Continue to. The next clip is the derby. Pause. It's the derby. It's the derby where they played. Okay, it's still the hiding. Zalam too. I just want to show you ukuthi iline yabo the defensive line ukuthi bayenzani. Sharp. This is when they played E1-1. Pause. Now, the ball is here, holding a high line. Much better, right? Much better. If you go back and watch that game, the Pirates played a lot of balls behind the defense, the Kaizer Chiefs. Because why? Bebabamba line, right? It's a good tactic, but sometimes it's dangerous. But I think PSL is good. If you watch the Sundowns, Guibamba Leo high line, it is because most players don't know how to make a half moon run. Most players don't know. Most players don't even know how to pass. Play him do. MDU, ball lisa kubani, talent embat. Uyenzani udlala ibola long. Dlala ibola long, gcina lenzani phumela ngaphandle, sharp. This is the game where Chiefs played very well. Pause. This is the game. Pause him too, sharp. This is the game where Chiefs played very well. Look at where the ball is. The ball is ofigala, but look at this line. In the previous game, if the ball lila or lila already beseba, right? Already. So in the last clip where Chiefs did Pirates, the good thing that they did was to hold a high line. It scores 1-1. And most Chiefs fans were very happy, right? One of the good reasons why bangazange batholindu. Now, this is a game against Scotland. Remember now, I've shown you Uguti Chiefs how they were defending last season, right? The good game and the bad game, right? Now I'm going to show you what something Ute Cruz aithatile. There's nothing wrong with Georgia, right? If now we are born out here, iyapayiza uphethu gelo o grand. Mthathi. I see it. Now, Scotland iphethe ibhola eboxini. Chiefs yenzani it's okay siyaniyekela asimpraise, but what I want you to see is this high line. Bheka ibhola ukuthi likuphi, iChiefs isasekuphi. Pause. Bayenzani? High line. Yes, I see straight line. There's nothing wrong, right? Uprenda ndaba yakhe straight. It's okay, but la it's the high line. It's a very good strategy. Very good strategy, because if we play the ball here, it's not easy for someone to go and score. It's not easy. It is not easy. So I like this idea, Yagate Cruz. I like the way afuna ukuthi Chiefs idlale ngakhona. But now, do you have the players to play like that? Some people bathi he was not supposed to sign Adolf. I say angithi ucele bamhambisile. You have to bring someone, right? Bafethu, any questions?
Ngithanda lento leqeda ukisho ukuthi abanye abantu bafila ngathi uDa Cruz kumele edamanye ama player but uDa Cruz angazi ukuthi umzwile uthe yena ukuthi acompete ne iKaizer Chiefs idinga ama player wena ubona kanjani ku pre-season le abayidlalile nama player khona lapha naKaizer Chiefs I ready na le team ukucompete.
Okay, wena uthini?
Mina ngiyadoubt ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs izocompete. Amabheka boOrlando Pirates ba super powerful, ba strong even the way they finished last season, style of play sabo uyabona ukuthi bayaqhubeka. iKaizer Chiefs angikho sure ngathi babuyele move. Then Sundowns nawo moyibona idraw ne team lena overseas. Uyabona ibhola la khona yabo and ba introduce ama play. iKaizer Chiefs they still playing the same players last season but improvement asiyiboni that much uthini coach.
Okay. Asiyeke iChiefs, asiyeke iPirates ne Sundowns, right? I agree with uDa Cruz. Now, mina ngithanda mangikhuluma. I like to show people lento ngikhuluma ngayo, ne? So if I can't show you, I'll take you back, ne? So now if you look at Chiefs, they had Aiden McCarthy, left-footed center back. Okay, there's a clause in his contract to Guti, we are hamp. Now, why don't you bring a left-footed center back? So you bring in another defender, ne? Who I don't think Guti is better than Aiden Sharp. But now he's not left-footed. For me, it tells me Guti a club. I born istingo for a left-footed center back, and if you watch most good teams, the big teams, they do that. They have a left-footed and a right-footed. You understand? So now, each defense Chiefs last season, being that good. You understand? How many players about 10 years? Now you have Umarko, always injured. Oh, shame. Whatever that Uofori did to him, he's never been the same. Just go back. Ever since Uofori, I'm shy, shame. Yazin, he's never been the same. But now, Coach Yenzani, itata our left back, the left-footed player, and the best left foot in the club. Yamtata, umfaku center back. Ithini lento leyo? Why singazange sithenge I player elidlala ngo left? Who okay, bafaka uFrostler on the left. If uFrostler uyalimala and then what? If you are going to play ama competition amaningi, you need players, you need depth in the team. Sharp. Siyaphambili. Kule video le I've shown you ama wingers with Chiefs ukuthi when they get the ball they lose the ball easily. So how do you expect a coach? Because there's a lot of people who are saying ukuthi Ude Cruz, he was not supposed to say that Chiefs is a big team, yada yada yada. The guy is realistic, right? They are not ready. You can see with the players. You cannot expect Umfundo Vilakazi ukuthi athwale a team at his age. Still naye he hasn't fully developed as a player yena. For him ukuthi manje angazothwala a team engaka. You understand? It's actually not fair on the player. It is not fair because he still needs to develop. Because if I can ask you one question, that's why mina ngithanda ukubuyisela abantu move. Name which game Umfundo ku PSL ayidlalile wayiqala wayiqeda where he had a good game. Ayikho, because he's still developing. There's still a lot of things that he needs to do. He still needs to strengthen up his body, because if you are a winger, right, if you are going to tuck in, you're going to have a contact, right? Kumele uqine laphaya, kumele adle ipapa, morning, lunch, dinner, he needs to be strong. Now, napambi bafethu no ashmarai. Bafethu. No kunzima for me, yeah, number 3, number 4. If they win a trophy, but it's about winning the trophy. So should be right lapho. Padelikini angazi. Guys, any more questions? Right. Okay bafethu, thank you for watching. Please support local YouTubers. Bafethu, don't be greedy. Share this video nabanye abantwana. Ungafuni ukuthola izinto ezimnandi uyi-1. Ngiyabonga.